comes to your list, you've got a whole lot of decisions to make. Big is beautiful because seeing is better than searching. This holiday season, big and decide. Well, look at one of the great footballers of all time, Diego Maradona, the coach for the Argentine national side, and he's enjoying this. Watching Roger Federer and David Ferrer. Last year's finalist, Juan Martín del Potro, obviously not a part of this year's event, but he'll be a part of the 2011 tennis scene.
What is that?
It'll be a dangerous floater, won't he, next year early in the season, next season, play their first round.
What is that?
One of these top guys.
What is that? What is that? What is that? What is it? What is it?
You saw where he hit that first ball.
What is it?